durante todo el viaje. Se permite tomar fotos, pero no usar flash. Gracias y que disfruten del viaje.
G'day, this is the captain speaking. Now that we're underway, I'd like to welcome you aboard. As the conditions of our voyage may be unpredictable, please remain seated at all times. Let's take her down. Stand by to dive. 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 Landing action closed. Trim out diving planes. Pressure to the base. Take her down easy. Catch 110 fellas tanks. Speed 06 at 1.5 knots. Steer 30 degrees. All ahead full. Steady as she goes. As we leave the coast behind and head towards open water, you'll notice that this is a popular spot for divers searching for exotic fish. Right rudder, 20 degrees. Set course directly over the Lost City. Thanks. Stand by for weather watch. Our destination today is quite extraordinary, a newly erupting deep water volcano. Even here in the shallows, we can see evidence of such geothermal forces constantly at work. You can tell by our surroundings that they can make some pretty dramatic changes to the landscape. Remnants of an ancient civilization were hidden for centuries beneath the ocean floor. Hidden until unearthed by a tremendous volcanic event that surrounds us is a biological community that thrives in warm, shallow waters. It usually takes more than a year for a coral to grow only 1 inch. An amazing fact when you consider that Australia's Great Barrier Reef stretches over 2,000 kilometres. Mind your distance to port starboard. As we leave this long-lost community behind, we're thankfully in a community of no worries, we'll take it down fast and deep. All controls, 8 degrees down. Such as our sonar hydrophones to actually hear the fish talk.
I'm aboard, explorers, to let's go explore the big blue world.
Hey, Mr. Ray, we can't explore without Nemo.
I'm sure we'll see him any minute now.
Nemo!
Oh, science is great, there's so much to know. I'm aboard, explorers, it's time to
Nemo, wanna ride some tasty waves? Sure, squirt. Where? EAC, dude. It'll be like, whoa, let's go.
Captain, we're approaching the EAC.
Hold her steady, take her into the car. All head standard. The powerful flow of the East Australian current is like an undersea highway. Many creatures can be found commuting in this current, including the majestic sea turtle.
life better than Ken. Oh, don't worry. I'm not going to eat you. At least not all at once. No, Bruce. Remember the pledge. Right then. I am a nice shark, not a mindless eating machine. These are friends, not food. But then, mates, easy does it. You look like one of these balloons. Swim away!
Secure all stations. System check.
Steady, sir.
Right. Let's resume speed.
All ahead full.
I don't know. Race in there. Okay, go.
Dory!
Wait,
What?
I see pretty lights.
I see them too.
Reach for the light.
It's getting closer.
Closer.
That was me.
How do I know it's you? It could be anybody.
It's not anybody. It's me.
Do I know you?
Dory!
Talk about a small world. My name's Dory too.
Did you know that? I said you're talking about the small world.
What's that? Looks like...
Me first. I'm thinking of something pink and bouncy that looks like a balloon.
Jellyfish!
Right. Okay, now I'm thinking of something pink, kind of boing.
It's jellyfish!
You're good. Boing, boing. And I'm thinking
Jellyfish! And the next one, jellyfish!
Mr. Smart Man.
Stop playing tag! Now the wheels. Like to a party. Let's go!
I love parties. I found the hot tub.
It's not about finding hot tubs. I found you! I was so worried!
About what?
We're alive! We survived an erupting volcano, Nemo! Nemo? Nemo? Say something!
Can we do it again, Dad? Huh? Can we?
Oh, of course. When fish can fly.
Oh, I found Chico.
Nemo! It's Nemo! Yay! It's Nemo! Hey, Pearl! We saw a huge volcano go kaboom! Oh, you made me eat! Hey, Dad! You should have seen me surf the volcano!
Oh, give us some fit. Noggin.
Dude! Nemo! Check out all the whales! Jimmy Plankton, he says that whales only eat krill. Then why is that whale eating that yellow submarine, dude? Whoa! That's one whale!
Does it smell kind of realish to you? Is it me? That's funny. Sounded like, hold on tight. I'm gonna Just keep swimming. Just keep swimming. Whoa! A big yellow whale! Wait, stop! Why?
Isn't that a whale?
Just keep swimming, swimming, swimming. What do we do? Swim, swim, swim. Bye!
Crikey.
Shall I enter any of this into the log?
No, mate, forget it. Nobody will believe it anyway. We better take her up before we have a run-in with a sea serpent or an encounter with a mermaid.
Aye, aye, Captain.
We are surfacing and approaching our home port. We've enjoyed having you aboard on this adventurous voyage. Thanks for joining us and have a top day. approaching. Reach your glory.
Reducing speed and proceeding to berth 29. Stand by the dock.
All ahead 1/3. Stand by the mooring lines. Now folks, when the cabin lights come on, please stand and disembark to your right. Take small children by the hand and watch your step up the ladder. Please use the handrail. All ashore. All ashore, please. Check you later.
You guys like March of the
I have a question. How long is your tail? I what? I what is the ball? That's my money. No. Give me the.
Oh, are you okay?